Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, we will be discussing the type of homes. This is brought to you by Social Schooler. Let's start. There are different types and sizes of houses in our community. People from around the world build their homes differently depending on the climate where they lived. A house protects us from heat, rain, cold, and snow. Many years ago, people used to live in cave. Then people started living in huts made of branches, but huts didn't protect people from heavy rain. So they made houses with stone and mud. Nowadays, people build houses with concrete. They are much better or stronger. Some other materials we can use to build houses are wood, bricks, iron, steel, and glass. Some of the community helpers who help us build house are architects, plumbers, carpenters, builders, and electricians.